Alright folks, today we are keeping it super simple and going with a classic spaghetti pomodoro. It's fast, it's fresh, and you only need a few ingredients to make it amazing. We start with the basics. Get your spaghetti into a pot of salted water. Remember, salty like the sea. This will give the pasta the subtle flavor boost. Quick tip, don't add the oil to the water, just salt. Oil stops the sauce from sticking to the pasta and we definitely don't want that. While the pasta cooks, let's get started on the sauce. This all happens pretty quickly, so keep an eye on both. We are keeping it simple here, just a little olive oil and bit of garlic. You don't want to overdo it, just a gentle sizzle to release the delicious aroma. See how the garlic starting to bubble a bit? That's what we want. No need to burn it. We are just infusing the oil with the flavor. Now for the cherry tomatoes. Whole and straight into the pan. They are going to release their juice as we go, and it will make a perfect fresh juice. And here comes the best part, a little stress relief. Just give them a good smash with your spoon. It's honestly the most satisfying part of this recipe. You are aiming to get the juice and flavors out while keeping some of the chunky texture. Alright, time to season this beauty. A pinch of salt, some fresh pepper. Don't be shy, the salt and pepper really bring out the flavors of those tomatoes. Some might say I like my pepper a bit too much, but hey, it's all about the balance. Let's see, perfect, al dente, just how we like it. Now before we drain it, let's grab a scoop of the pasta water. This starchy water is like a liquid gold. It helps bind the sauce and pasta together. And don't forget, if you boil the pasta, boil it just about 1 or 2 minutes less than it says on the label, because we want it al dente. And don't forget that we are going to do it in the pan another 1 or 2 minutes, so that's it. Just a little or so how it thickness up the sauce. It's all coming together. Alright, spaghetti goes in and we give everything a nice toss. You want each strand coated in the delicious fresh tomato sauce. And now for the magic touch, a good amount of Parmigiano Reggiano. This is where it all comes together. It melts in, adds creaminess and gives you the authentic Italian flavor. And finally, fresh basil, just a handful chopped up. It gives this dish that beautiful aroma and a bit of color to finish it off. Alright, that you have it, spaghetti pomodoro ready in minutes, packed with flavor and no fuss. I mean, look at it, look at that. It doesn't get better than this. Perfect. This is, my friends, its simplicity and its finest. Sometimes less really is more. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy delicious recipes. I promise there's a lot more coming.